Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone apps not downloading or installing from App Store after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First solution, you have restart the App Store. As a simple as it sounds, restarting your device's App Store can fix most app downloading issues. Swipe up from the button to access to recent apps menu and drag the App Store preview to the top to clear it. Finally, reopen the App Store to make fresh start. Repeat the same steps on your iPad to fix the app not downloading issue. When you have App Store is uh, on your iPhone, he is not apps download, so then you have double click on home tabs, then you have remove, and then you have restart the open App Store. Then second solution, you have correct the date and time. And incorrect date and time is common reason behind issues with apps not downloading from App Store. You can set it to automatic by accessing your phone's setting to solve it. Here's how it can be done. So you have open the setting and then click on general, click on date and time, click on set automatically. Is automatically set on your location turn on while you have using. Then third solution, you have reset your iPhone setting. If at the app downloading issue persists on your device, after trying the above fixes, you can reset the existing setting to resolve it. Follow this step to reset your iPhone setting. Open the setting, click on general, again click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Then fourth solution, you have use Wi-Fi to download apps from the App Store. By default, Apple only allow users to auto downloading under 200 MB using cellular data. If you have exceeded your daily cellular limit, you want to be able to download new app from the App Store unless you connect to Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting, click on Wi-Fi iOS device to preferred wireless network. Then last solution, you have reboot your iPhone to fix apps not downloading from App Store. If restarting the App Store did not solve the problem, you can reboot your iPhone iPad to eliminate exiting glitches that might be getting in your way. Press the volume up, volume down, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, please let me know in the comments box. Allah Hafiz.